Tools you can use. I'm not gonna tell you all the secrets about tripods now. We got a DeWalt tripod. 1/4 inch thread on the top. All right, it goes pretty high. You can look it up, open up this bad boy. Should have known. Can you see this right there? That's got some heft to it, right? It's got some heft. Looks like it's smooth, you know what I'm saying? Looks like it's smooth, right? I like it. It's got the crank. It's got the crank. That's what I like. Oh yeah. We're gonna do a coming up some tripod battles, right? Tripods, you know. I'm not gonna tell you all the secrets about tripods just yet. This one's pretty nice. I like it. So without spreading the legs real far, you still get some decent height. It's a Harbor Freight gift right here, right at 5 foot. That puppy is getting good. That thing will go on up. I like it. Tools you could use. DeWalt tripod, good. The feet, they have the, you can spike it in. You could spike it in or not spike it in probably. It's a major award.